Okay, guys, today's video then is the verb kaku. Kaku, which means to write, is an irregular verb. So we're gonna be changing the ku here again, kakeku keko. Okay, so let's see our jishoke. Jishoke is our dictionary form. Kaku, for example, meru wo kaku. Meru wo kaku. Meru wo kaku is to write an email, to text. Okay. Um, Next one is our masuke. So kakimasu. Okay, for example, ketai de meru wo kakimasu. Ketai de meru wo kakimasu. Ketai de meru wo kakimasu. Now to write an email with your phone, from your phone. Okay, ketai is a Japanese word for cell phones. Okay. Now the next one is the negative form kakanai. Naike is kakanai. So for example, そんなことで、ところで、I'm sorry, そんなところで書かないでくださいね。そんなところで書かないでください。そんなところで書かないでください。Please don't write in a place like that. Son is like that. Tokoro is a place, or yeah, a place. Okay, so そんなところで over there. Like it could also mean in this case like over there. Let's say a child is writing on a wall or on a table, and you just say, I'm sorry, but please don't write over there. Okay, そんなところで書かないでください。Okay, and the last one is our imperative form, the teke, kaite. ね、書いて. So for example, こちらにお名前を書いてください. Please write, onamai means name, okay, it's a polite form for name. And kochira is the polite form of koko, which means here. So please write your name here. Please write your name here. こちらにお名前を書いてください。こちらにお名前を書いてください。Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video and see you on the next one. それではまた、バイバイ。